Yes. So it forms the right angle between the two rays. So here the angle formed, that is the right angle, then the lines are called it as perpendicular line. So perpendicular symbol is ulta T. Okay. And here the perpendicular. So it intersects at the point M. Okay. So M is the intersecting point and also we can call it as the midpoint. Here the perpendicular line intersects the given line segments into two equal parts. So for example, if it is a 14 centimeter line segment, so the perpendicular line NM is divides the AB line segment into two equal parts. Means AM is equals to 7 centimeter and MB is equals to 7 centimeter. So it is called as the perpendicular bisector. So if a perpendicular line which divides the line segment into two equal parts, then the line is called as perpendicular bisector. You see here there is a AB line. For example, if it is the 10 centimeter, okay, then if the perpendicular line bisects the line segment into two equal parts. If the perpendicular line divides the line segment into two equal parts, then the line segment is called as perpendicular bisector. Bi means two, it divides into two parts. Sector means part. So it divides into two equal parts, then it is called as perpendicular bisector. Okay, and it is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Okay. You can also learn to construct the perpendicular bisector in the 7th standard. Okay. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. What do you mean by the perpendicular bisector? Two lines intersect and the angle between them is a right angle. Then the lines are called as perpendicular lines. Okay. Then these are the examples for the perpendicular lines we can see in our everyday life. Okay. For example, if there is a paper sheet, so if it is the paper cardboard, the two edges are perpendicular to each other. Means if we extend the edge, so we will get the perpendicular bisector. So we will get the perpendicular lines. And also the English alphabet, that is the T. T is also a perpendicular lines. Here the line which meet at one of the point and forms the angle, right angle. So then the lines are called as perpendicular lines. Right? Plus mark. Have you seen that? Yes. It is also forms the right angles. Is it clear? Yes. Let's go to solve the exercise 5.5. Yes. Let's solve the exercise 5.5. The first question is, which of the following are models for perpendicular lines? Yes, either the first one is the adjacent edges of a table top. Yes, the adjacent edges of a table top is a perpendicular line. Yes, you can see here adjacent. Just you can imagine it is a table top. Here we can see the two lines intersect at the point and the angle made between the lines is a right angle. So then the table top is an example for the perpendicular lines. Right? Yes. Answer is yes. Okay. And then the second one is the lines of a railway track. We know that the lines of a railway track is an example for the parallel lines. So these are not the perpendicular lines. Okay. So the answer is no. Okay. The third one is the line segments forming the letter L. Yes, forming the letter L is a perpendicular line because it forms the angle between the lines is the right angle. So it is an example for the perpendicular lines. Then next D1, the letter V. Yes, you can see here the letter V is perpendicular line. Why? Because it is doesn't forms the angle 90 degree. So it is not an example for the perpendicular lines. So it is example for the intersecting lines. Okay. So the letter V is not a example for perpendicular lines. Then right here is no. Okay. The next second question. Let PQ be the perpendicular to the line segment XY. Let PQ and XY intersect in the point A. What is the measure of angle PAY? See here. First, let's draw the perpendicular lines. Is what they said. Let PQ be the perpendicular to the line segment XY. Okay. Let's draw the line segment XY. It is XY line segment. Then the line PQ. This Q and P. So PQ perpendicular to XY. Then they intersect at the point A. So it is the intersecting point. We have to name it A. Then what is the measure of P angle PAY? Yes, what is the measure of angle PAY? We know that if the line segment XY and PQ are perpendicular to each other, then the angle formed between these two line segments is, that is the right angle. The measure of the right angle is right angle. So it is equals to 90 degree. Right? Let's write the answer here. Angle P and PAY is equals to 90 degree. Okay? Is it clear? Yes. The fourth question is, study the diagram. The line L perpendicular to line M. So here the line L is perpendicular to line M. Then is CE is equals to EG. Yes. See here there is a C and E to G. Yes. Once you see here, the distance between the C and E is 2 units. The distance between CE is 2 units, right? And then the distance between the EG, E to G, again it is a 2 units, right? Yes. Is CE is equals to EG? Yes, because the distance between these two points is same, hence we can say that CE is equals to EG. Okay? Yes. Here, yes. CE is equals to EG. Okay. Then the second one, does PE bisect CG? Yes. Does PE, here there is a P intersecting point. Then here there is a point E. Right? The PE bisect CG. You see here the distance between the CG is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. The line EP bisects into 2 equal parts. Means CE is equals to 2 units. Then EG is equals to 2 units. Then the line segment PE bisect. Bisect means it divides the line segment. 4 units line segment into 2 equal parts. Each part measures 2 centimeters. So then we can say that PE bisect the CG. Okay? Yes. Answer is PE bisects CG. Okay? Yes. Then the third one is, identify any two line segments for which PE is the perpendicular bisector. Yes, identify any two line segments for which PE is perpendicular bisector. Yes, see here for the line DF. DF is perpendicular to PE, is a perpendicular bisector, right? So why? Because the different units. So it perpendicularly bisects into two equal parts. So here DE and EF is each equals to 1 unit. So then we can say that DE and EF are perpendicular bisectors, right? So identify any two line segments for which PE is a perpendicular bisector for which one? First one, PE bisects DF. PE bisects DF. Then the second one is see here CG. Yes. Then the other pair is CG. So why? Because C2, the distance between the C and G is 4 units. The perpendicular bisector PE divides into two equal parts. So hence we can say the second pair PE bisects CG. Okay. So these are the two pair of line segments. The P is bisector, perpendicular bisector for the DF and CG. Okay. Yes. Then the fourth one is are these true? Yes. Are these true? Yes. Given here three questions. AC is greater than FG. Yes. See here AC. So the AC is greater than FG. So AC is the distance between A and C is 2 units, right? So AC is equals to 2 units, right? Then FG. So here F to G. So FG is equals to how many units? The distance between F and G is 1 unit, right? Then which is greater here? AC is greater than FG, right? Yes, it is true. In bracket you write true. Okay. Then the second one, CD is equals to GH. Yes. See here, CD is equals to 1 unit. Yes. CD is equals to 1 unit. Then GH is equals to 1 unit. Yes. The distance between the G and H is 1 unit. Right. Yes. They are asking here CD is equals to DH. Yes. Both these two segments, these 2 points are in the same unit. So we can say that the given C. So that we can say that it is true. Okay. Then the third one. Yes. Then the third one, BC is smaller than BC is less than EH. Is the what is the distance between the BC? Is BC is equals to 1 unit. The distance between B and C is 1 unit, and the distance between EH. So here there is a E and here there is a H. Is what is the distance between EH? It is 1, 2, 3. Yes. EH is equals to 3 units. Right? Yes. Then BC is less than EH. Right? Here BC is less than EH. Is it true or not? Yes, it is true. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. The third question you have to do it in your own. Okay? Yes. Then up to here we have learned perpendicular lines. Then and also we have solved the exercise 5.5. Right? So in the next class we are going to learn about the classification of triangles.